I would like for Bill Allen to explain why it is important for all men and women who have automobiles here in the state of Alabama that has liability insurance on those automobiles. I would like for Bill Allen to explain why it is to make sure that they have uninsured motorist coverage as part of their insurance coverage with their liability insurance on their automobiles. And I'll sit back and listen to y'all's response.
And Scott, it's your lucky night, because Bill could just talk for the rest of the show. I don't even have to talk anymore. That's his favorite thing to talk about.
Yeah, you can put your microphone down and leave. You can go home already, Andrea.
Bye.
Yeah, I got this. No. Scott, thanks for the call. And if anyone's ever watched LawCall, this is kind of my, I get on my bully pulpit to talk about uninsured motorist coverage. As I've always said, is in my opinion, the most important insurance you can have. And Scott, thank you for the question, especially during these times, because it is especially important now. You know, what we're seeing right now, because people are getting laid off, people are not making as much money as they used to be. And what is the first thing that someone is going to do if they have less income coming? Where they're still going to pay their rent. They're still going to put gas in their car. They're still going to make their car note, or it's going to get repossessed. But what's going on, and I've talked to a lot of insurance agents over the last couple of weeks, a lot of people are not paying their insurance premiums for their liability insurance coverage. And so, it used to be about 30% of all drivers in Alabama did not have any liability coverage, even though it's required by law. And now that number is increasing, and it's going up, and it's going up, and I expect it to continue to go up. So what that means is there's more of a chance, if you're involved in an accident, there's more of a chance that the person that hit you does not have any liability coverage. And so if you only have liability only on your car, then and if you can't go after the other person because they have no liability, then you have no recourse to be able to get compensated for your personal injuries. So, and we've got to go to break, but the bottom line is, no matter if you have an old car or a new car, you can have liability only and not collision coverage, but never, ever, ever waive uninsured motorist coverage. And get as much as you can, because it protects you and your family members in case the other person either A, has no coverage, or B, they don't have enough coverage. And so get as much as you can.
It's important. It's important.
It's very important.